Well, I made this a month ago, and when my plumber came and unblocked my sink, he looked at it and found it was a good idea. He even told me I should patent this idea. After 2 weeks, it worked perfect, but every time I took the twist tie off, I would cut myself on the wire mesh. Well, I had to find a better way. What can I do? What can I use in this house to make this? I used a plastic coffee jar, 150 grams. Made a hole on the cover, the size of the hose. Then I put a rubber washer and a twist tie. Then I cut the access on the twist tie. Cut some holes on the bottom of the jar. Then I cut some squares 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch from the bottom of the rim. I noticed it was a bit flimsy, so I took a onion net and glued it on with the hot glue gun around it. Took a bat sponge, cut the twine and the rope, and it should look like this. Then I put it in a jar. Then I put it together with the coffee cover. I put a rag under with an elastic to hold the sand. In 2 weeks, I will make a video of the result for the lint and the sand. If you like this thing and think it's a good idea, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.